I'm the chosen one. I said, I'm the chosen one. I said, I'm the chosen one. These niggas ain't gonna like this shit right here. This shit too different. It's a freestyle, bro. Dog. Bitch, I'm outside with this shit. Fuck you talking about? Bitch ass nigga, get out of here. You a pussy, you ain't never stand on shit. Man, bro, got a grip, he been carrying around them sticks. I been posted up at nighttime, that's why I think I'm a vampire. Niggas all up on my dick, trying to check the fight. I don't care about this little bitch, she get dicked out. Tonight is the time, cause I ain't playing around. I got them sticks in my car, they get lethal. Booty right on the side of me with a fucking blade. Niggas don't get sticked up in this shit, it's a rip. Niggas talking all that shit, but we know he off a pill. And that nigga off a crack, that's why his ass in jail. We gon' knock the ballers off his head when we catch him, yeah. I ain't fucking playing games, I been posted up and shit. I been posted up at nighttime, that's why I need a blick. Fuck you talking about, nigga, you ain't know shit. Fuck you talking about, nigga, you ain't know shit. And I'm walking singing shit, niggas wasn't even, they wasn't even there when I was a fucking jet. Niggas tryna be all up on my dick, and the cops on niggas know how I play with sticks. I'm playing this little niggas get me through, it's real. I've been posted up on my phone like I'll drill shit. Niggas talk about hit, he ain't kill shit. Talk about it, he ain't drilling shit. Put them guns to his fucking glasses, bring him out at night time. Then we go on fucking shit out. Don't know how I stay in the kitchen with my fucking shit. I ain't fucking like a little nigga, this is a brick. If you want smoke, throwing out Zod shit, smoking on the gas, that shit get heavy, leaping to the brain. Little nigga smoking gas, and you know I rap this thing. I ain't fucking like, bro, I don't know why he capping, I don't know why he capping. I'm just making beats outside, I don't know.